How you doing today? Hope you're having a wonderful day. Welcome back to the channel. This is A Cordova Reviews. Today I want to bring to you a video, an unboxing of a Hori aluminum case, Super Mario Edition. So check it out. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment. Alrighty, so this is a Mario hat. I like the little M, the little emblem right here on top. It's pretty cool. Just a cat. There was the little surprise that I have for you guys. I love this. I got it for it was $16 and something change, but with the taxes, 18 something. But I got it at GameStop. Okay, so cool. That's my hat. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love Mario, as you can tell. So let's put this away. Start the unboxing. Okay, guys, this was the unboxing for. So this is Super Mario Bros. Aluminum case for Nintendo Switch. So this price was $17.97 with the taxes $23.77. Let's check it out. Awesome. So this is how it looks. This is by Hori. I like the little M too. Kind of reminds me of my hat. Cool. Look at that. Pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. Hori. Right. Pretty cool. I love the color. Aluminum. Not bad. Aluminum. I'm sorry for the lighting, guys. It's kind of kind of iffy. It's okay. I love the M. It does look like my hat. It's pretty cool. You see those little black things? I'm guessing it's when you put the Nintendo Switch down. They won't scratch or anything like that. Okay, let's open it up. I don't even want to touch it. It's so clean. Wow. That's awesome. That is so cool. That is so cool. Let's open it up. Oh, that's so cool. It's so soft too. Wow. When you put your Switch in here, it's soft. It covers it. And it has like little flowers. Look at that. Little flowers, little stars, little cubes. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Let's see how it works. Perfect fit, you guys. Perfect fit. Let's close it. So this goes down. Wow, you guys. This is so cool, man. It's so rad. That's cool. Finally, I got something to store my Nintendo Switch on. This is so cool, guys. I recommend you to get one of these guys for your Nintendo Switch. It doesn't fit the Nintendo Switch Lite because it's a little bit smaller, but your Switch perfectly. I mean, it might, but your Switch is gonna be a little bit loose in there. But the Nintendo Switch, the Nintendo Switch Lite is gonna be a little bit loose, but the Switch, it fits perfectly in here, guys. Perfectly. That's so cool. If you have any questions, comment in the bottom. I'm also doing post notification shoutouts. My first post notification shout out goes to Pink Panther. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for liking the videos. If if you guys want a post notification shout out, The only thing you gotta do is like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let me know when you have done that. Yeah, and that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you like it. I'm gonna try to post more. So I hope you like the hat and the Hori case. I loved it. Of course I did. Okay, guys. Stay safe. Stay healthy.